YouTube channel, Mom's Kitchen with the boys. As always, we do cooking stuff over here. So if you're into cooking stuff and you love cooking, make sure
right place.
Yeah, stick around. So today what we're going to be doing is called
this live snail.
Snail. We're going to be frying this snail.
Yeah, we show you how to wash it and cook it in a good and proper manner. Decently, yeah.
So before we get to the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe if you love this type of content. And yeah, that's just all. It helps the video if you like.
Yes,
so
comment.
Yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, the ingredients we have, of course, we have our snail, then lime for washing the snail. Then we have turmeric, vegetable that's onion, pepper, tomato, and seasoning. Then grinded pepper. And this is going to be talking ginger, garlic, black pepper, salt,
scent leaf for our garden, then
oil,
coconut oil,
and then garlic.
This garlic, we are still going to use garlic to wash the snail. Then, in case you don't know snail, this is just the reason that they live snail. So that's it. So friends, welcome back. I'm done washing it professionally.
Yes, professionally.
As you can see, so this is the lime. Oh, juicy. Now use my hand, wash it again. Then after this part, I just turn it into the pot and have my seasoning. Hello friends, this is black pepper, ginger powder, garlic. I want it spicy. No snail. Snail is very good for the body. Do you know about that?
I don't know.
It's very good. They said it boosts the blood system, and I know that it's good for calcium also. So you can go and do your own research.
Do you know?
See.
So
that's it. Alright, so just add a little water. You mix it very well. The scent leaf is already there, so just to give it this native smell, you know. So just put it on the stove. So as you can see, it's ready. It's ready. So at this point, I'm going to put it down. Then I will fry it. So that's the next thing I'm going to see. Hi friends, as you can see, Jeff is already making the sauce for the snail. So I'm adding pepper. Snail need pepper. If you're making it, get ready to use enough pepper. So just fry it. It's not too dry, the way I want it to, as you like to do it. So this is my own way. Alright, snail will go into that pan. Just have to take it out from here. If you want to do this, you can get a bigger spoon, please. Don't follow me. Okay. Mix it. I think it's ready. As you can see, you want it very fresh. Yummy!
Okay, now my favorite season, my favorite time, the time of the testing.
Now guys, hello friends, we are done. As you can see. Looking. In fact, comment whatever you want to say about this, please say it, please. Nice comment. Be nice, guys. Jeffrey, taste it and tell them.
Oh, nice.
Taste. Oh yeah. So friends, please like this video, subscribe, comment, and what do you have to say?
Yeah, that's all. I'm in my own paradise. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Leave a comment.
Nice comment.
And like the video. Help the video go forward.
Help us. These are months. We have a target this month. Please share the video.
So yeah, that's all.
See you in our next video. Bye.
Eat healthy, stay healthy.
Stay healthy.
Try snail meat.
You will like it. Bye.